Well, now I'm in the wife's car, and you know, do you see that crack through the windshield? It just doesn't end, does it? And here in Virginia, they don't pay for your windshield, you pay for it. I know it's like Florida. If you've got a broken windshield, if it's cracked, the insurance company has to cover that. They don't go for your pocket. But at the same time, in Florida, insurance is more expensive, so it's always kind of the, you know, way off one to the other. But yep, I'm taking the wife's car right now to get it serviced, and so another day of just living behind the wheel of a vehicle. That's what I specialize in. Oh, this is classic. So I'm driving my wife's car, and guess what? I'm like in the car, I'm not really like at the right temperature, and I'm just now looking down like, oh, the auto feature isn't on, and there you go. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter, right? Is that how we operate as humans in life? All right, I just picked up my new cover for my Tremor. How about that, huh? And my mud flaps. Hope those fit. See if we got the part numbers right? Up here at Kuhn Sterling Ford in Sterling, Virginia. Okay, I'm gonna check out the mud flaps that I ordered. Did I do the right thing? We're gonna find out here in a second. I was hoping the box would identify which is which, but not the case. Boy, talk about just no identification. There it is, front. Okay, so let's take this over here. Too damn simple in all reality. These things just line up right up with the screws, and there you go. She's done. Turn the wheels and bing bam done. All right, turn the tire in. What do you think that is, an 8mm? That's my guess. Seems like the 8s and 10s and 12s are common on these American products that are Chinese stuff, right? Yikes. Let's be professional. Let's hit the tailgate. Okay, look at that there, huh? Let's put all my working stuff right here in the back to do my project. All right, having the correct tools helps a lot. Milwaukee's kind of one of my favorites. Let's see here if I need a right hand angle. No, I do not, so don't need that little tool. Cool. 7mm is what it looks like it is. Let's see here. Yep. All right, so you bend these tabs back once you get it inside this fender well here. So you just line your holes up here like that. And you bend these back. You're gonna put 2 clips on. Got some clips here. And you screw these on here, and bing bam done. Give you longer screws. They compensate you for that there. I'll just get that started right there. Okay. Get the other one kind of going too. I'm doing this all one-handed. You noticing this yet? Kind of give you an idea what's going on. Get my drill going the right direction here. Let's see here. Kind of get it. See that? Take and tuck these in behind there. Alright. And then you're gonna take these clips. And these clips go right over that and fasten it down. So I'll tighten it up now. Do that. Take a clip here. And you should be able to get it to fasten on pretty good. So it's pretty quick. Pretty simple, pretty quick. As time progresses with all this technology, I think the manufacturers are figuring out how to make it pretty plug and play, as they say these days. Look at that, there you go. There she is. Bing, bam, done. Now let's turn the wheel to the right for the other side. Let's see how it looks here. I think it's beer time and installation time. So same thing up here. I'm not gonna bore you with that, but same procedure. And the back is next. All right, there is the next one. Done, shebang, wang, blang, right? Tight though, look at that. You can see it's tight. Bigger tire, have to level. We already know you have to have leveling kit. Yep, I didn't think this to be as simple, and I was right, but you never know. So, I'm gonna install a bracket. Just a little bit more. So crawl around on your hands and knees. Uh-oh, a little bit more of a project. Well, we'll get her done. These brackets. All right, the back one is a little bit more of a project, but not much. But your special tool here to get your little clips out here, so you can pull them out and get in any parts store here. Pretty simple. All right, so we have some identification parts here. Got an E, got an F, got our interesting on the D's and the G's, but I can figure that out because they're small to big, if you know what I mean. So the F is saying it goes on the fender well. Let's see here, F. Yep, so these two little buggers here are the smaller ones. There we go, where we pulled out these right here. So we'll just put this over that, if I can do it with my one hand. Let's see here as I hold the phone and try to show you what to do. Whoops, not too far there, but there's the first one. And same thing here. Do that. See that? Pretty simple, huh? And as long as you line up that hole, yeah, right. Sometimes you just put the screw there through, make sure it's lined up before you start fighting it with your mud flap. Sometimes what I do is I just make sure you got it lined up right. And it looks like I do. Yep. And then put this up here. Attach it. I need my right hand drill accessory here in a second. All right, making some headway. What I do is I just get the socket and I just start threading it like that by hand before I get my drill in there. Gives you some leverage to get it going. All right, kind of hard to show you holding the phone and doing this, but this right hand drill gives you enough room in there to tighten everything up. I've already done all that. Now it's that bracket goes there. It'll probably be up there is my guess. We'll bend our little tabs here and put our little connectors on. All righty. Let's see here. Bend that back, get that there. Try to get some leverage. One hand doing it, I need two. Let's see here. Yep. All right, I got it. How about that there? Now it's the bracket, but damn, I don't know what, you don't really need that bracket, but I guess I'll do it. All right, here's the project. Get a crawl around your hands and knees and take out this plug here. Then puts a bracket over there. All right, not easy. Show you how to, I mean, it's easy, but you're gonna take this plug out right here, and then you're gonna connect this up here. So it's not difficult. Just gotta take this plug out with my special tool. Do that there. That's out. And you're gonna put your little clip in right here. there. Get it lined up for the hole. All right, I got the back end here. I think it's overkill. A little tricky, but it's not hard. Hope you figure it out by looking at my bracket and how I did it. The left and right bracket. You know, I always keep my little parts that come off vehicles. You never know if you need this stuff down the road. I'd keep it. Put a little parts bin for yourself. Okay, there's the end product. Now, you can definitely get fancier mud flaps, but for me, then I kind of keep it simple. And these things are very inexpensive. So, but you can spend $2, $3, $4 on mud flaps. Ask me how I know. Because I got other trucks with bigger mud flaps. All right, truck's kind of coming together here. I really like my bed rug. I'm glad I did that instead of the spray-in liner. I've got my roll-up tonneau cover, which will be tomorrow's project. I feel like screw with that at 8 o'clock at night or whatever. So that's tomorrow's little thing we'll do and show you how to do.